in this video we will start electrical designing. So first of all we will study how to calculate electric load calculation. So for electrical load calculation, first we will this is our sheet of electrical load calculation. We have a floor, or we have a room where first of all we will see how many tube lights, or you can see energy saving bulbs, or any type of lighting that are used. So first of all we will calculate how many lights. Suppose we have quantity 132, and now we know about how much unit he used, like 40 watts, 60 watt. So we have 40 watt at 132 tube lights. So we will calculate them and find total watts. After that we will see how many down lights, like 18 watt down light, and their quantity is 63. So we will multiply 63 with 18, and total watts are 1134. And now we will see how many ceiling fan. We have 69 ceiling fan, and per unit watt used is 100. So we have 6900 total watt. Now we see exhaust fan. We have two exhaust fan, and each use 80 unit per unit watt. So we multiply both them, and 160 total 3-pin socket 5 ampere, and their quantities are 20, and they are using 100 per unit watt. So their total watts are 2000. So now we will calculate all these, and this is the complete load. This is complete. So this is complete load, total load in watt, and this is total load in kilowatt. In this way, first of all we will in electrical load calculation we will calculate the total lighting, down lighting, and then their watts used, and then add all these. In this way we will calculate electrical load.